Welcome to Bamfordrose, and it's forum chat time. In this week's forum chat, we pick up on a conversation that is talking about buying certified pre-owned, pre-used cars. Here's the comment which says, thinking about upgrading to a V12 Vantage S, only considering the certified pre-owned route. What should I look out for? Well, you're looking out for a car that is basically in the same drive out condition as it was when the previous owner drove it in. That pre-owned check, like many used car dealers do on checking a car before it goes out the door, is basically a strict MOT test at best. If you get a fault-free car, then great. If the previous custodian of it was really meticulous on maintenance, and when he drove it into the franchise dealer to trade in, there were no problems, then fantastic. But perhaps cars are driven in with a few niggles. The 140 point check checks wheel nuts, tyre condition, safety critical thing, a bit of a strict MOT, but doesn't really delve deep enough to uncover those niggles, doesn't fix them, doesn't prepare the car without those niggles for purchase. So it's basically driven out in the same condition as it was driven in with those niggles. Then if that niggle qualifies for a fix under warranty, then great, that's where the pre-owned certified route kicks in. If it's not covered on warranty, then you're left with a bit of an argument as to getting a dealer to fix it, because you should have really prepared the car without that fault, and him picking that up where the warranty policy won't. There was a couple of good answers to this question. One says, I overpaid from an Aston dealer and don't regret it at all. Everything was sorted, including 2 headlamps and 3 attempts at rectifying bodywork issues and 2 new tyres. I think I got my money's worth. Gives you peace of mind and 12-month warranty buying from the dealer. So because the tyres are a wear item, then that problem must have been present at point of purchase. You'd think that the bodywork issues were there at point of purchase too, because corrosion takes a while to seep in. Perhaps the headlamp issue wasn't there at point of purchase, but it certainly goes to show you there in that example that the car wasn't prepped to the standard you thought it should have been at point of sale. Another comment goes on to say, I have to say, my 5,000 mile but 5-year-old V12 VS Roadster that I bought from the dealer with timeless warranty demonstrates it's of some use, but the timeless check pre-sale was a joke. Since then, things that should have been fixed before sale have been fixed with multiple trips to the dealer. Whether it's franchised or whether it's independent reseller, anything more than a basic check pre-sales is all that the car will get. And if you think it gets any more, then you're fooling yourself. You can't trust used car salesmen as far as you could kick them, and some of them even end up incarcerated. None of them want a fix coming out of their bottom line. So if they traded in the car at a certain price, they found that it needed some prep before selling it, that's going to come out of their bottom line. It's a lot easier for them to just brush over those niggles and hope that either the owner doesn't pick up on them, or if they do, then it gets covered by the extended warranty policy once the warranty is sold. It's cringeworthy, but I've heard this comment so many times. An owner has just bought the car from a dealer. They immediately detect a problem. Perhaps in some instances they haven't even got out the car park. And the comment is, well, if you could just wait a week before registering that complaint, then I'll be able to get it done under warranty. Instead of saying, how embarrassing. We need to fix this problem as soon as possible. Here's a courtesy car, come back in a couple of days and your car will be prepared for you. So in direct answer to this question, only considering the pre-owned route, what should I look out for? It's niggles which have been brushed over that you really need to spot in a post-purchase inspection. How thorough was the 140 point check for you? Give us your comments on your car's purchase. Click us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on the next forum chat.